How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Let's get started. The very first thing you wanna do is check if you have given access of microphone to Snapchat app or not. For that, launch your settings app. Now head over to the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Now you'll see the option of microphone over here. Make sure the toggle is on. In case you have already enabled it, disable it, wait for a few seconds and again enable it. With this, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, next thing you want to do is update your Snapchat. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. This might also fix some glitches. Likewise, launch your Snapchat. Now force quit the app. For that, swipe off from the bottom, close the app and again relaunch it. If this solution doesn't work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat and download it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix microphone not working on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.